Hello guys, good morning. Today I will be showing you a tutorial on one of my favorite Thai recipes. This is Thai mint chili chicken. So right now I have a pound of ground chicken in a skillet. Okay, and then I have about half a cup of mushrooms. This is totally optional. I just love mushrooms, so you don't have to put the mushrooms. Okay, I have 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, ground white pepper, and then I have a half a cup of green onions, which is about 1.5 inch strips, which is about 5 bunches that I've cut up, so about half a cup. Then I have 2 small shallots that I've diced, 1 teaspoon of finely minced garlic. Then I have 1 small diced jalapeno that I've seeded. Over here is about 3 small green Thai chilies. This is 1 bell pepper that I've sliced really thin. They're about 2-inch long strips. So 1 big red bell pepper. Over here I have about like a dozen mint leaves that I've washed in cold water, and I cut the stems off. So later we're just going to add a couple dashes of garlic powder. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and then also 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we're going to use a regular olive oil, not extra virgin. This is just for cooking. Extra virgin olive oil is good for like salads and things like that. But for cooking, I'm just using regular olive oil. So we're going to go ahead and start browning the ground chicken. Okay, I forgot to let you guys know, this is also optional because you already have the jalapeno and the Thai green chilies, which is 3 small pieces, and this is 1 small seeded one. This is also optional. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of garlic chili paste, and then you also want to add 1 teaspoon of pure sesame oil. Okay, so I've already started browning the ground chicken, and you want to make sure that you really break this down so it's not too chunky. Just kind of break it down so it's a little finer. Kind of cut through it like this, just to break down the pieces that start to form. And then make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan. Okay, so the ground chicken is browned now. So I went ahead and drained the fat. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the 1 teaspoon of finely minced garlic, and also the 2 small shallots that I've diced. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and saute this for maybe 3 to 4 minutes just to cook the onions and the garlic. And while that's cooking, you're going to go ahead and add the 1/4 teaspoon of white ground pepper, and that's just a 1/4 teaspoon. And this is the consistency of how you want the ground chicken. You want to break it up pretty fine. Okay, at this point it's been sauteing for about 3 minutes, and if it starts to stick a little bit, go ahead and add about like a teaspoon of the olive oil, and then just cook it for another couple minutes. And this is on a medium heat. Okay, so at this point, you want to go ahead and start adding some of the other ingredients. We are going to put the mushrooms, the green onions, and also the red bell peppers. And then go ahead and add the 2 types of chilies, which is the Thai green chili, about 3 pieces, and 1 small jalapeno that's been seeded and diced. And we're going to add the mint leaves in a little while. So go ahead and saute this. And if it starts to stick, just go ahead and slightly scrape the bottom of the pan. And just keep your heat on medium. Okay, so at this point, we're going to go ahead and start adding some of the spices. This is the ½ teaspoon, which is optional, of Thai chili paste. Now we're going to go ahead and add the 1 teaspoon of pure sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm just going to eyeball this. One teaspoon of fish sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay, and then go ahead and add your dash of ground garlic powder. Okay, and then last but not least, the 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar. And then go ahead and stir that all together. And at this point, you can also add the mint leaves, which is about 12 of them that I've washed in cold water, and I cut the stems off. So just keep sauteing this for a few more minutes. I would say about 3 minutes, until the vegetables are cooked and you can see that the flavors have married into the ground chicken. Okay everyone, so I sauteed it for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, and this is what it looks like. Now I did just do 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, and the fish sauce because I'm trying to lower my sodium intake, but you can definitely add a little more to your taste. And this is usually eaten with rice, white steamed rice. Also, if you don't want to eat it with rice, you can also put it on some lettuce and do a lettuce wrap. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. Try out my recipe and give it a thumbs up if you like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone, and I will see you soon with another fabulous tutorial. Thank you.